Here we have a 2010 Ford F-150 XLT Supercrew with 155,000 kilometers, 4x4, and a 5.4-liter engine. This vehicle features a full leather interior, heated seats, air conditioning, dual climate controls, CD player with USB and auxiliary, navigation, powered windows, powered locks, and powered mirrors. This vehicle is selling for $12,950 plus taxes, and we do accept status cards. We offer many financing options, including our in-house financing plan. All of our vehicles come with a Manitoba Safety, a 3-month, 3,000-kilometer powertrain warranty, and a 1-week, 500-kilometer check engine light warranty. To view this vehicle, come down to 1429 Clarence Avenue. Our phone number is 204-229-3838, or you can visit boyceauto.ca.